Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some Happy Mail unboxing, and this is a continuation of the birthday giveaway challenge of mini Happy Mail. And this time this comes from Terry from Terry's Place. So I was mailing off our spring swap mail today, and I checked my PO box, and look what I found. I found some mail from her. So stay tuned, I have another video coming. I also received some Happy Mail from Felicia, also known as FP Handmade, here on YouTube. So thank you so much, guys. Let's have a look and see what Terry sent. I have not opened it, so let me just cut it on this side. So if you guys are interested in joining the giveaway, there is still time. The giveaway ends March 31st, and I'll put the information down in the description box and link the video at the end. So it's been really fun. I hope you guys have been watching the playlist and some of the video responses that have been created here. Okay, let's see what Terry, oh my goodness, there's more. Let's just make sure. There is more. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me just pull this to the side. Oh, how cute. Hold on. Look at this. I love it. I love peanuts. And she has included some of these cute little cutouts. And I am going to have to look at that in just a few. I want to see her card. Which one do I open first? So this one's for, it says for your birthday challenge. So awesome. Thank you so much, and I'm so happy. Oh, this is so cool. I have not seen this at my Dollar Tree, but this is awesome. Thank you so much. Let's see what's in here. How cool is that? Little envelope. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's the note. Let me read this. Hold on. Thanks so much, Terry. I am super excited to see what you made. And she said that she's also included another project that she made, that she's created a template here, and hopefully she'll send a link of the instructions on how to make it. So let's open this first. Oh, let's see. What is this? Oopsie. Oh. Oh, how cute. Look. Best wishes. And then we have this adorable little birthday gift on the top. But let me just read the message again. There it is. Happy birthday, Clarissa. Thank you so much, Terry. Yes, I had such a wonderful day. I love it. So let's put that there, and let's have a look and see what she made for the challenge. That is so cute. I love that everyone's putting these cute little notes. Audrey did the same, so I've been collecting them, and I'm going to put them in my journal. Oh, well done. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. Take a look at the packaging here. There are several. Look at that, you are amazing. And let's open this one first. I'm just gonna cut at the bottom. How beautiful. It's a mini pocket letter, I think. Be that good. Look at the colors on this. I love the light pastel blues. We have the beautiful Eiffel Tower. How cute. And goodies on the back. So let me show you what it looks like. This is gorgeous, Terry. I love the vintage vibe, and look at that. Life right now, make today awesome. I love it, with some vintage sewing items. It is so cool. And on the flip side, she's included some wonderful goodies. Oh, I love these buttons. And then we have measuring tapes. Again, perfect to go on a junk journal. Look at that safety pin. And some vintage looking sewing machines. Oh, this is so awesome. I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And our next one, I wonder what's in here. Let's look. Super cool. I love the variety, and everyone's been submitting different kinds of mini projects. So the possibilities are endless, guys. Oh my god, how cute. It is a mini stuffed envelope. Let me just pull the camera in closer. Look at how small this is. This is adorable. Put that on my mind. Take time to dream. It says love found. That is so pretty. And then look, we have all these mini goodies. I'm going to slowly pull them out. So many cute things. Oh my goodness. Look how did she fill that up? Tell your story. How beautiful would that look as a pocket in a journal? That's so pretty. Am I still in frame? Here is a mini little notebook. Oh, how cute. With some flowers and some pages to fill. Beautiful. Put that there. Also have some wonderful tags. Love it, love it. With the vellum stickers. I love the collage. So pretty. And on the back they can be journal cards. That is such a cool idea. And then we have these cute little guys. It says thank you, hello, and look how small these washies are. We have flowers. I see a truck. Is that Winnie the Pooh? That is Winnie the Pooh. That is so cute. Some slippers, strawberry and orange. And look at this. Look how mini this is. This is like a cute little mini embellishment little holder. And you have these wonderful, oh my gosh, little dimensional stickers. How cute is that? Let me open it. Here we go. They are tiny. Look how small these are. That is so cool. Put that there. How adorable is that? With the bird, butterflies, and flowers. Again, perfect for spring. That is too cute. But there is another one more here. Let me just open that up. How cool. I don't know about you guys, I like saving wrapping from mail. I like to add it as pockets. More cute stuff. Oh my goodness. Look at this belly band with the butterfly. So let's slide that down. This is too cute. Happy spring. I love it. Check that out. I love it. Look at this miniature paper clip and a mini folder. How adorable. That is so cute. And we have all these cute word dies. Create, life, happy, oops, hugs, and smile, create. I love that. That's so pretty. More of these miniature pockets. Let's see what's in here. So cute. Let's see. Oh, it's a cute little accordion, little pop-up thing with like cute little kitties. I love that. That is adorable. Another pocket. How cute are these? These are miniature, like Polaroid little pieces. Oh my gosh. With the camera, smile. Can put a little picture on there. That is really super cute. Oh my gosh, Terry. And then we have a cute little pinwheel with the button. More tiny stuff. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. We got milk. And what are these? Little tag die cuts. It's so cute. That's a really small card, and it looks like Terry has decoupage, some napkin on that. That's so pretty. I love the stamp there, how it overlays on top of the actual spade. Pretty. Look at the back of that. And more washi samples. How pretty. And another cute mini folder. How wonderful. I love it. This is too cute. This was super, as this says, l'amazing. I love it, love it, love it, love it, Terry. This was great. I'm so happy you were able to join my mini Happy Mail birthday challenge. Again, make sure to check out our playlist. See the other crafty ladies that have submitted. They have some beautiful creations as well. And I already have an idea. I might make this into a mini comic book. But in the meantime, I'll be reading and seeing what Terry's included there. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.